What's going on? New day, time to post a new video. I know it's been a while. I'm slacking a bit. I'll admit that. I'm working on it though. We're getting there. Eventually I'm going to be uploading at a decent pace. I still do have a lot of content. In this video coming up, we're uninstalling the lifts at Roscoe's shop. Shout out to Roscoe for hooking us up with these. Like, you go there, uninstall them yourself, take them to your shop, and I'll give you a good deal on them. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, it's a process, but we'll get there, and the shop is definitely going to go to the next level once we get these installed. For a cold start. Yep.
Got forms?
Yeah. This is nice. This is yellow.
What? Bro,
Is this an M3? No.
It's an E36 M3 convertible.
I don't think it's an M3.
It's an M3. All right, straight. Stop. This thing, I wanted to buy this from him too. He wouldn't sell this Corvette. This is way bigger than normal lift.
I don't even know if it's gonna get on your truck, bro.
I don't know. Don't put on my truck and go home.
So I just paid for the lift, so hopefully we can get these things down. Wasn't too cheap, so I don't know. We don't really know what we're doing, so hopefully no one dies. And this is a recipe. I don't want to jinx anything, but this is a recipe for disaster. Having giant lifts around hundreds of thousands of dollars with the cars. I was like, what we didn't think out is we never took a lift down, and we're taking a lift down, but the complicated more.
We're taking two down.
We're taking two down, and then to complicate that even more, we're around hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of cars.
Holy crap.
Like,
If we scratch one car, we're screwed.
I mean, he wouldn't notice, but
This guy.
I would not like to do that.
I help you. He kills himself.
Send it.
You think we can install them today?
Who said that?
No.
Who the fuck said that
You
shit?
said it.
You said that?
No, I didn't say that.
You think we can install them today?
Get the.
See, I kind of underestimated it.
Grip this thing with?
Hopefully I shouldn't on the drop.
Well, I'll just cut it.
So the wire.
Ronnie, see this? Look.
Yeah.
See what you made me do? Look.
So the wire. What the? How the fuck? This doesn't look like it's supposed to come off. No, it should be good.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get down first. No, what do you mean?
Just hold it.
What if I fucking
Just
die?
hold it.
Hey, when he's holding just like this, wham!
All right, let me put this down so I can grab this.
And it's down.
We got one pillar down, got the legs off. Gonna be working on this one, but first we're taking the top off because that's the longest part. Yeah, we don't really know what we're doing, so hopefully this turns out good. Have a lot of stuff that could be damaged in the area, so let's try not to damage that.
I mean, I'm
Feeling good?
Next one.
We'll get that when we weren't ready.
ready?
Drop it right
Well,
there.
not like that, like this. Right?
No, long ways is good.
Long ways are fine.
Long ways is good. It's pretty skinny.
Let's get it down half the way though, because we're gonna be tripping over this.
Fuck it.
We have one lift completely in on
No, we have half.
What?
We have half of each.
Oh, well, technically, but I mean, technically,
We
we
have-
have enough of the stuff to build one on the truck.
No.
Yeah.
We don't have power.
End of this one.
Yeah.
in the truck, and we have the two.
Neither of those have power though. Neither of those are power boxes.
Calm down. Anyways, we still got to do the two ones with the power box.
feel?
For me?
Yeah.
I'm alright, I'm not gonna lie. How about you?
All right, I didn't ask all that. I just said, quick, how you feel?
I feel great.
How you feeling, John?
Let's go put them on. Let's
You
go
feel
install.
Aaron?
Let's go
Fuck off.
install.
He's like, I'm never gonna talk to any of you ever again.
Bro, what are you doing?
This shit is dripping. Like I'm making it drip because it's getting exciting.
Alright, you ready? Let's do this. Oh, my back.
Car accident. Look at the car accident damage. Look what it did to him. Look at that.
Why are you looking at my butt crack for?
The car accident didn't do that. So from playing with Hot Wheels on the stairs, on the carpet, to having Hot Wheels in real life.
For real.
2 of them. Go big or go home. Just gotta get out there and make it all happen, you know?
Damn.
So when you get this last one loaded on the truck, take it to the shop. We're going to attempt to install it ourselves. I mean, we took it apart. Pretty straightforward for the most part. Besides, we're gonna have an electrician come in, do all the wiring and stuff like that, obviously. Because we don't want to die, so. And you prefer not to die.
I even recommend paying a professional installer.
He's
honest.
scared.
Hell yeah, I'm scared.
Does this look intimidating to you? Look at it on the ground.
Intimidating as hell.
It's on the ground. You're scared of it still?
No, what if there's a car? It can't be harder than the BMW. When there's a car on it and you're underneath it.
That's why you test it. That's why you put the X5 on there. Leave it overnight. If
real.
it's there in the morning, you're good to go.
If not, that's insurance money.
What? Watch the car, Johnny.
Yeah, exactly. Accidents happen.
$120,000 car.
Oh yeah, for real.
120,000.
Dude, look at this.
This one's
Look at the
probably
handle. This is nice.
Dang, BMW. Yeah.
This is 120,000.
120. 806 over there. That's going up in price. Testarossa is going up. Shout out to Roscoe. Let's get to work, boys. I'll help now. Saddle that thing.
This is how you do it, all right? There's no other way.
Got around 4 posts on here. 2-post lifts. Got the leg. Loading up a couple more legs over here. Roscoe, what's going on here? Put the blocks on the Ferrari Testarossa. On block. I'll take it off your hands.
Let me pull this thing out real quick.
Yeah.
Dude, I love the way the door opens.
I'm gonna slap the shit out of you.
Let's be honest, bro. Our lives are too precious, all right?
Nah.
I'm trying to have 3 fucking kids, 2 boys.
I'm trying to have money. What?
I knew it. All that.
Oh, damn. Yeah, we should have emptied it. That's our fault. That's our fault for not emptying it. So we got the lifts back to the shop. Right now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna clear out all this. This trash gonna be gone soon. Don't worry. Clearing out all this. We're gonna bring the lifts in, put them all right here, or put both lifts right here. Then we'll figure out what to do with this trash after that.
If you tell us to set this up, I'm done with you.
But we're setting this shit up tomorrow. What are you talking about?
I get one.
All right. Let me get the key up off you then. Let me get the key.
Deuces.
You know what the 4th. All right, you can walk. I'll get you.
that?
I'll get your Uber. I'll get your Uber.
All right, well, fuck it. Yeah, I see shit.
So I just ate Nora's last chocolate. Can't let them know though, so I'm telling you when. I'm lugging that in there. Wrap this thing back up nice. There, beautiful. Let's put it back right in there. Perfect. No one will ever know. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Next video is going to be installing them, so see how that goes. Hopefully get that done without too many issues. And yeah, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Check out Jonathan's channel. He edited this video. Shout out to him. His link's going to be in the description along with everyone else in the video if you want to check out their channels too. Thanks. Have a great day.